Hello guys, iheonu is my name. Last night I was taking a shower and I was expecting a very important call. I don't want to miss that call. So I started to place my phone on top of my shower cubicle, which is about 6.5 feet tall. And as I was taking a shower, the phone fell from that height face down. I thought my phone was gone. As a matter of fact, that is the phone I'm using to make this video. Good thing is that I have a screen protector. A screen protector I installed on that phone, and also I have a phone case. So I'm suggesting for you, if you want to save your phone from breaking, get yourself a phone case that looks like silicone. That protects the phone if it falls face down. Make sure that the edge, if you put your phone, it stays inside, and the edges will protect the screen of the phone, while the protector, because what was shattered was the screen guard. The screen protector shattered, but the phone screen was good. Nothing happened to the phone. So I'm just making this video to share with you. Get yourself a screen protector and also a phone case, good one. It will save you a lot of pain. Thank you, and share this message. Bye bye.